everybody, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you so much for tuning in. And what I have for you guys today, I am going to do the rice water on my hair just to see if it will stop the shedding. I know I will have little shedding, but not as much as I've been having. But right now I am going to show you if there are any shedding coming from the green tea rinse that I did. If you want to watch that video, go ahead and search that video of me doing the green tea and ginger rinse. So let me go ahead and take my scarf off my head. And I am going to take down my hair, making sure no hair is in the comb. And you guys, my hair is still soft. It's not hard. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and take down my twist. And I am going to comb it out just to show you guys if I have any shedding. So I have a little small toothpick, tooth comb. So that way you'll be able to see any shedding, in the comb. But that green tea and ginger left my hair so soft. So far, just 2 or 3 strands of hair. Not as much as I've been having, you guys. My hair just feels so soft. So soft. Easy to comb through. Go ahead and take it down. Yeah, I didn't want to take my hair down without showing you guys, if my hair was shedding. Okay. It is really soft. I just can't believe how that green tea and ginger rinse made it soft. Okay, taking it down. But of course I see a little shedding. So, let me see. That's it. And I'm going to go ahead and finish combing my hair with the wide pick tooth comb. So y'all, it does look like my hair is improving a lot. And please excuse the gray. Okay, I'm just embracing my gray a little bit, you guys. But I will be covering it soon. I'm just trying to get my hair, in a good state right now. Trying to get it in a good state. You don't see as much split ends as it was before. You guys let me know if my hair seems to be getting healthy. Just let me know, please. Okay. And now, my hair is clean, you guys. You know that I washed it a couple of days ago. And now I am going to use my rice water. And I am going to put it into my little container. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I warming up my water, my rice water, because I had this in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Yes, for a couple of days since I last, made it. Have this sitting over in warm water so that it can be warm when I get ready to spray it on my hair. So a few of you suggested that I try the rice water. So I'm going to try it. So they said that the rice water will pretty much stop shedding and it will promote hair growth. It's great for your skin. You can use it as a toner. So I don't know much about rice water, but I am going to give it a try. Let me go ahead and spray this on my hair, leave it in overnight, and I will rinse it out in the morning. Maybe retwist it, and when I get ready to take it down, I will do the same thing as I did before, as taking it down, see if there's any shedding, and to let you guys tell me if you see healthy, results in my hair. I will continue to use the rice water throughout this week. Okay, and I want to thank you guys so much for your wonderful tips. Again, thank you, because you guys are helping me a lot on my hair. Yes, and I thank you. I really do. So let's get started. You guys, I got on makeup. I wore a wig today, so I should have taken my makeup off while doing this video, but that's okay. I'll take it off later. And I'm going to use the small comb so that I can just part it and comb it on out with this rice water. I'm gonna play my music. This is how much I have left in the bottle. And tomorrow night, I will spray some in my hair before bed. I may leave my hair up like this for about maybe 3 to 5 days. And I will come back, take it down, and show you guys the results. Okay? I may not rinse it out. I just may continue to spray it on my hair and all, you know, my edges and right up in here, the crown of my hair, the crown of my head. So this is it. And the rest of this rice water, I will pour into a little bottle and use it as a face toner. That's what I will do. Okay? That is it. So stay tuned. There's something else I am going to be making. So stay tuned for that. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And I thank each and every one of you. I love you all. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Go ahead and comment, thumbs up, share. Let everybody know about your girl Happy Dimples 39. Bring them on over to this channel, okay? So that we can learn from each other. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos, but if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.